Minutes in Canada, someone will die from heart disease or stroke, making it the leading cause of death in both men and women. In order to prevent or treat heart conditions, maintenance is essential. Up next, Lindy Free takes us to the Heart Fit Clinic to find out just how important screening and prevention can be.
If you've ever suffered a heart attack or stroke, you may be familiar with the Heart Fit Clinic. If you're not, though, Clinic Director Diamond Fernandez says you still should be.
Ignorance is not bliss. You know, so many people end up with heart attacks and they think it's because of something that happened this weekend. Well, that's just the trigger. It took years to develop. And so once we know where the risk is, then we can develop programs to then reverse heart disease.
The first step to a healthy heart is the assessment.
Assessment includes a carotid IMT, which is an intima media thickness. That's the screening of the carotid arteries in the neck, and it gives us a window of what's going on inside the heart.
Following that, blood and treadmill tests are given to find out an individual's degree of risk.
Once we know what the risk is, then we develop a program to then reverse that disease process.
That process, according to Joanne Bobbin, has included increased physical exercise, which she says has greatly improved her own quality of life.
Some days walking up a flight of stairs was a lot of work. I guess, I don't know, I just don't feel tired anymore.
Bobbin is one of many women who are at risk of developing heart disease, a risk that she has only just recently become aware of.
I found out that my heart was in AFib, so I didn't know if I could exercise or not, and I was feeling really crappy. So, and I found them on the internet and went from there.
Fernandez adds that surprisingly, heart attack can just as easily occur in people with healthy levels of cholesterol, which is why he is urging people to get checked.
Anyone who's over 40 years old, they should get this done on an annual or every 2-year basis to see what their risk is, and so they can make a difference. Because like I said, heart disease takes a number of years to develop.
If you'd like to start the screening process to check out how healthy your heart is, simply check out heartfitclinic.com.